Down as dots really fast. If you move the mouse quick enough, you can actually see that, as I just demonstrated. So this actually kind of simulates a tattoo gun in the sense that it's putting dots really fast, and you do have to move fluidly in order to get a strong line. But sometimes if you do move fast, like changing the speed on a tattoo gun, you can get certain effects by moving quickly. And that can also come into shading and whatnot later. It is a pointillism system. This is all I have to show you. I'm pretty excited about it. I hope to have some new features and some functions. A bunch of buttons will be going over here to the right for your various tools and brush selections and effects that you can apply. I'll be adding many new things over the next couple of weeks, and I thank you for watching and thank you for your support, and we'll see you guys later.